Bismillahirohmanirohim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good afternoon, good morning, good night, depending on you watching this is the channel. Yeah guys, how are you guys? Hopefully Allah's healthy. Amen. So this time I will discuss about how to make face scanner and smile, can angry and shy. Make it yourself. Yes, with how the smic of the people and hence we are a generation. You have to be able to watch the channel Najwan. Okay. And when to know to watch TV Najwan, we go to Google. Okay, wait to Google and write comment and we write a comment coding application. Okay, comment coding and website and comment coding. Okay, again, please debating because the internet slow. Okay, number one, again you and the custom and upload the custom and emoji. Oke, emoji. Nanti kalian download aja di Google. Oke guys, kalian download aja di Google, gampang. Tinggal cari sesuka emoji kalian. And image and number 2 and smile. Okay, smile. And to snooky and surprise and custom number 4 and share di. Oke, jika sudah kita ke coding, kita go to, we are looking for go to event and when the click and kita harus mencari api di sini ya guys, cause and indication kita cari api ya guys, fetch api and jika sudah kita get fetch that. Nah, di onin ya guys. Oke, jika sudah kita go to event and no go to event and forever and if then and go to fetch api and get one fetch shape. Okay guys, and operator and ini kita masukkan. Oke, jika sudah kita tulis 100. Oke guys, 100. Oke, jika sudah kita go to looks and show and switch custom to, kita cari switch custom and ini. Oke, I'm sorry guys, and you and delete and username and kita ganti menjadi number 1 and smile atau senyum, number 2 and surprise, is custom number 3 and no, this is surprise number 3 and sorry ya guys, I'm sorry and delete aja username-nya, kita cari di sini natural, smile, and ini natural ya guys, natural. I'm sorry guys, and username. And ini kita ganti menjadi share, terus dia guys. Oke, and coding and kita lanjut ke coding selanjutnya. And duplicate. Oke guys, kita duplicate aja guys. Kita duplicate. And duplicate. Oke, and side and ini kita ganti guys. Kita ganti menjadi happy and natural and ini kita ganti sesuai yang di sini ya guys. Ini ganti menjadi surprise. And ini kita ganti menjadi sedih. Sesuai yang di sini guys. And go to fetch api and get one fetch Okay, and if then kita ke forever dulu. Ke forever. I can share and number 1, number 2, and number 2 calling. I can share. Duplicate aja guys, biar cepat. Oke, duplicate aja. Duplicate 1. Okay. Okay, duplicate, and number 1 is set, number 2 is natural, and natural, and kita butuh satu lagi guys. Kita butuh satu lagi, and switch custom. Nih kita masukkan. Jika sudah, kita tulis happy, and no, ini kita ganti menjadi smile, and ini kita ganti menjadi shade udah number 1, and kita ganti menjadi apa ya guys, sesuaiin di sini guys, sesuaiin di sini. And natural udah, shade udah, happy udah. Yang belum ada, ada yang tahu guys, yang belum apa? Smile, yang belum smile. Guys, yang belum smile guys, smile. Number 1 and natural. Okay, sudah. Shade, no, ini no shade. It's the happy. Happy is smile, and natural is natural. No, natural and natural. Okay. Ayo kita coba. Bismillah. Okay,